How to automatically switch home screens on focus with iOS. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically switch your home screens if you are using an iOS. So iOS 15 focus modes allow you to customize your iPhone or iPad's home screen to automatically switch based on the focus mode you're using. This feature is very useful if you want specific home screens to be visible only during the certain time or activities like work, personal time or sleep. Then here is how to set up automatic home screen switching with focus modes in iOS 15. The step 1 is to set up the focus mode. Go to the setting option on your phone. Now open the setting app in your iPhone or iPad, select the focus, scroll down and tap on the focus option. After that you need to create or select a focus mode. You can either create a new focus mode by tapping the plus button on the top right corner and selecting a focus type, example work, personal, sleep, or select an existing focus mode from the list. Not disturb work as well. Step 2 is to customize the home screen pages for the focus mode. Go to the home screen options within the selected focus mode and tap on the home screen. Now enable the custom pages, like turn on the toggle for custom pages as well. Select the home screen pages. You will see a selection of your own home screen pages. Choose the ones you want to be active when this focus mode is enabled. Now return to the focus settings and tap on the done option or go back to save your changes. Now step 3 is to activate the focus mode. Activate the focus mode. You can activate the focus mode by going to the settings option, focus option and selecting the mode you customized. Alternatively, swipe down to the top right corner to the screen to open the control center and tap on the focus icon. Like automatic activation is also available and is totally optional as well. Now switching home screen automatically should be done. Once the focus mode is active, your home screen will automatically switch to display on the pages you selected. When you disable the focus mode, your home screen will select and its default setup as well. So by following these steps, you can ensure that your home screen layout is tailored to your current activities, enhancing focus and reducing distractions throughout your day. So this helps you to customize and change your home screen as you want to. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.